How do you clean a sex toy? It's simple and easy. Let me show you how. How to clean a toy is one of the most frequently asked questions we receive. Cleaning a toy is very simple and easy to do, and obviously it's highly recommended after every use with your toy. The most standard way to clean is to use a toy cleaner and lukewarm water. However, this cannot always be the case. You might also have to use a dry, lint-free cloth, as some toys aren't waterproof and cannot be submerged in water. So today, let's take a look at how to clean the Lily vibrator. This is the Lily vibrator itself. So to clean, we're going to use a toy cleaner, and it's very simple and easy to use. You're going to make sure you spray an even amount all across the toy to make sure it's completely clean. Once you're sure you've got enough sprays around the toy, you can either use a dry, lint-free cloth, or you can also use lukewarm water, not hot or cold, lukewarm, to make sure it's completely hygienically cleaned. Once that's done, make sure it's completely dry and stored in a dust-free place. If you don't have toy cleaner with you, you can also use a mild antibacterial soap and lukewarm water as well. When looking at whether to use a toy cleaner or mild antibacterial soap, take a look at the product information as well. There may be a user manual specifying which one is probably better. Also make sure whether your toy is waterproof. If it is waterproof, it's best to clean with lukewarm water. If not, you can also dip the toy in water but not fully submerge it, just to make sure it has an even amount of water on it to clean. If you found this video helpful, why not like this video and check out our other product videos? Perhaps you have a question. Why not leave a comment below and we'll help you with your question.